Well, it's been another interesting week here in the markets, and things started out a little bit stronger here at the start of the day. We're at the daily market summary right now, and we have Curt Kimmel from agmarket.net joining us. Let's take a look at how the grains wrapped up this week in those corn and soybeans. How did they fare?
Yeah, on the day, corn's up 3 to 4, beans up 6 to 7, wheat fractionally lower in Chicago. On the weekly chart, corn up 12, 13, 14, beans up over 20. Wheat held in there too, but being May Day, news was actually kind of quiet. It's kind of skinny with the holidays around the world. The news here in the U.S., we did see 148,000 tons of corn sold to unknown, and that's divided up between 25 and 26 production. So overall demand continues to support the marketplace. As you know, Dustin, probably the big news in December, corn futures cracked a $5 level. It took about 10,000 contracts to push up through there. Had a high of 501 and three quarters. Came back and closed at 498 and three quarters. So this $5 benchmark was breached. Now it's a matter whether we stay above it or not.
And what has it been doing that? What was the driver to get it above that $5 mark?
It's been a combination of things. The whole support here has been dry Brazil. We've seen overall feed usage remain high. Ethanol guys are making a ton of money. I guess you determine that what's a ton, I guess. But overall demand is relative. And there was talk, I didn't see any confirmation of it. Maybe China might be buying a little U.S. corn, if not some ethanol. We've got this summit meeting here, May 13th, 14th, and it might be a little bit of an olive branch. Then, too, the new month, new day, new money coming in. I think it's just a combination of things. The big deal is checking here next week if we follow through. A lot of it's weather too, as you know, in eastern Iowa, a little too wet, south and west, a little too dry. Then plus two, it's going to get fairly chilly here. It probably won't hurt the corn a whole lot, but there's a few beans that might get nipped. It's up.
And then moving over to the livestock side of things, cattle and hogs, how'd they fare at the end of the week?
Oh, they continue to defy the law of gravity on cattle. At least fats were a little correction today, down 80 to $1. Feeders down $1.20, $1.30. Hogs down $1.60. Overall demand remains strong. Numbers remain tight. The thing to watch is it's very rare, but we've seen corn go up and we've seen feeders go up. Usually that does not happen. Usually they're opposite. So this last few months, they've been both moving in tandem with each other. The other thing is pseudo rabies was talked about, found in Iowa. They said there might have been a couple boars out of Texas that brought that. I don't know if there's going to be a lot of risk or headline news off that just yet, but it does affect a little bit of reproductive systems, and it'll slow down transportation or maybe some export business there. So that was broke out yesterday afternoon. So we'll see what type of news we'll get first part of next week.
All right. And if folks want to start conversations about their marketing strategies and looking what the grain and livestock markets are doing, what's the best way for them to get that ball rolling?
Locally, we're the Normal, Illinois office, 1-800-779-1515. Or else go to agmarket.net, click on Intel. That's where the team puts together some news and information. And if you'd like to visit somebody, you can fill out a form there.
All right, Curt Kimmel's been our guest here. And Curt, we thank you so much. Have a good weekend. We'll talk to you again soon.
Very good. Be safe.